bad CPS case. Are you talking about make history? That is the history where you commit, and that is the history where you have. There you go say people are man columping. Nobody is not a man columping. Stocky is a man columping. A big old 14 gangagal teeth man like that. Catch up in the projects with you. A big old long time big man. Eh? We go on like same have anything about him. Not take away your phone and step on it and mash it up. And be the man of the house. He make you sit up on IG and people name and talk about you a wife. You is not a wife, you's a old man scraps is. You's a table dialect. You's a toilet seat. Nothing about your zero woman. Stucky Arash is a shameful man. To make that woman in the house and your daughter cannot focus on her homework in peace. You cannot get your sleep. Can you forget up out of your bed, Stucky? 4 and 5 o'clock a morning for God man not to go work. You understand? And you make the woman in the house and interrupt your rest every night. Instead you take the phone from the woman and step on it and fling it in the wall. You make this dirty Jezebelic woman Stucky. You may a chat Stucky. You make this dirty Jezebel woman. They pump people clean him every day. How can you call yourself a man? How can you call yourself a real man, Stucky? And this is the type of woman you call a wife. Huh? You need some ambition, woman. You need to go dig up your mother who dead and let her sit you down and retrain you how to become a real upright citizen, a real upright lady, a decent character. When you're dead, nobody not gonna have nothing good to say about your wangster, Dan. Nobody not gonna have nothing good to say about you. Only thing people gonna remember that you was a disgraceful Jezebel. And you is a lying woman. You is a wicked woman. You is a zero woman. We see is a bad girl and living at the project for over 20 something years. The project which is a stepping stone in life to move on to the next level. Stucky, I'm ashamed of you. Me dey a house with man. And me and my man in the house and me can't even talk loud. Much as per IG life I talk about woman pussy this, woman dirty hole, woman I could never be around a man who sleep with me in my bed. You understand? And behaving in this type of way and him find me attractive. No man now find that attractive dirty woman. You's a Jezebel. You need to go rebound up in your mama. Eh? You don't know nothing about me. You were never my friend. You was always an associate. And when I find out who you were, I came and I said I want nothing, no lot and part to do with this. Because anybody who get up and plan to kill another human being just because of little couscous when I bring good word, you is a devil in disguise. And that's what I find out on my own. And got rid of you. You can't come over here and come bully nobody. And you talking on your life that you's a bully. You cannot bully me. I am the wrong one. You are bully the people them who is like you. You cannot bully me. And but you name you name not ignore. Can you spell ignore? You can't even spell ignore. And you calling the word ignore. You tell so much lie pan puss name. You tell so much lie pan my name. You cannot walk into Love Sanders shoes. Man, I ask him, I tell you. You can't walk in a Love Sanders shoes. So 101 wants to say the woman ugly and she's beautiful in all of us sight. Because she's a real wife. She's a real mother. And she have her things in Canada. You don't have nothing in America. You don't have nothing in America. Only here to see progress with another black person, another black woman, another black man a do it. The woman put up her house and put up her bathroom, show everything. Only said the woman have no house. Me been by my house. Before my 40th birthday, me sign up all of my paper, do my have to do, because me hurry up forget everything together before me turn 40. I'ma have my things, I'm a real, I'm a tay. I'm a victim of domestic violence, so therefore everything is sealed. I have a restraining order against the nemesis. You understand? So all my information is sealed because these people are stalkers. You understand? And every day when I come, oh, house this, house that. First liar tells me, tell us if I got African man for go get house. So from last year till now, me carry got African man, and you can't come out of the project, you're still living at the house. Does that make sense? Zero, woman? No. It doesn't make sense. You're a wicked liar. And you're a hateful soul. And you're a Jezebel, and everything that's bad of the earth is you, the Bible talk about. Psalms 1, they are nasty, it's wicked, woman. All you do is try to bring down champion. Only not build champion, and not bring down champion. You can't bring me down because my account them heavy. You can't bring me down. Me have asset in America. You don't have nothing. You can't bring me down. Me never have to do nobody. You do all of that to get attention, body and belly, and it still not do nothing for you in a life. Me will walk around with the 600 pound. At least me look good when I put on my clothes and the 600 pound. I'm a doctor and I get my money yet. What you say to me, woman? You not say nothing. All you do is just chat him out. Every day you get up, run off your dirty mouth and a chat. You not come with no facts. You not come with no proof. Be a lie, you get up and tell pan people name every day. Dirty woman, you can't defy me. I'm unstoppable. You can't define me with lies. You can't define me with your hateful heart where you have against me because I don't want to be your friend. Tell the people them say that you hate me for. Tell the people them say that you hate Petal for. Tell the people them say that you hate Pacha for. Tell the people them say that you hate Puss for. We don't want a friend from you. You're not nobody, a shit bucket. You're not in no class for calling nobody ugly and calling nobody outside the name. No class. Come out of the people them projects and go pay rent like everybody else. I go take the $9,000 where you say you get from tax money and go buy a 2-bedroom condo or a 3-bedroom condo and put it on a 1-family house out of town. Cause you can't manage New York mortgage cause you not make no money. You not make no money. Go away. I'm a proud shit cleaner and I will forever be a shit cleaner until the Lord say change me and change me into something else. And right now, me not clean no shit. Me relax and I take the blessing of God upon me. Me easy and I put on more upon the 600 pounds so me soon turn 700 pounds. You never know. Cause all me do I eat, sleep, drink and exercise. You come on internet, come ball, so me can't go to Jamaica. You see me go to Jamaica, me in my mother place uptown, and you about rent house. You know what it is for rent, even a 2-bedroom apartment in Jamaica. Much less a estate, dirty woman. Do you know what it is to rent one of them 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom apartment uptown? You think me have money for that shit? And she don't know me there in the here and now, and she there at Portmore. Bitch, my family them there at Portmore. And I visit my family them at Portmore. Didn't you not hear me say me there at the foot of the hill? Mix up wicked liar woman. Didn't you not hear me say me there uptown close to right this and this and this at the foot of the hill? That's how dunce you is. A pay vegetable you eat in school. You don't learn nothing. That's why you drop out of school and breed up. Primary school you drop out of. Me finish high school, finish primary school, and I have my first child at 26. You can't chat to me. You wicked son of a gun. Dirty serpent. Nothing about you. You there Jamaica, you walk up and down and look for madman for bring down Petal. You walk up and down and look for madman for bring down the other one, Frenchy one. We throw you overseas. Talk about that. You go friend all your enemy them where you bring down for curse Erica. You go friend all your enemy and talk about forgive. I use the worm and drop out of the people them picnic head. I use the people them come by your carpet and leak out red blood and leak out black blood. You, all your video them there YouTube where you bring down everybody, but you can't manage me. You go for them for come tear me down. That is not work. Cause me now raise not all dopey. And you me a deal with where I call up my name in your dirty mouth every day. You okay, honey? Oh, one lady said something to me. Me in my bed, I sleep. I get my good night's sleep. Me wake up out of my bed after 10. Me gossip up, say my prayers. Give God thanks for seeing another day. Thank you, Lord, for waking me up a part of the land of the living. Lord, I thank you for all that you have done for me. Thank you, Lord, for continue open up doors and pour out your blessing on me. Amen. Me say me, our Father who art in heaven, me say the Lord's Prayer. And then me say, okay, let me check in on Instagram or Instagram I go on. My friend them in my DM, I say, Erica, who are this man again, the dirty woman, the for your name. Dirty woman, come off of me name, me no want a friend from you. Zero tolerance, reggae, tanga woman. No matter how much words we call the Batman them and the pudding them figure for bring me down or curse me. It not gonna work. None of the words them. Will you get the zero people them? When them the Batman them and the issue them give for say, oh, use the word there, use the word there. Cause remember, you know, you come tell lie about how much you know pussy 7 years and you want pussy. Remember, you used to call puss for ox, puss for word, for curse. When you run out of lie or evilness, you say puss, give